Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We thank you for your continued support to our channel.
This video presents story behind Onam Festival.
Onam celebration is symbol of unity.
According to the Hindu mythology, King Mahabali was the grandson of Vishnu devotee Prahalada.
Mahabali was one of the most renowned king of Kerala. He came to power by defeating the gods and taking over the three worlds.
The defeated Devas approached Vishnu to fight with Mahabali.
But Vishnu refused to join the gods in violence against Mahabali, because Mahabali was a good ruler and his own devotee.
Mahabali, after his victory over the gods, he performed yagna.
During yagna, if anyone would ask Mahabali anything, he would immediately fulfill one's request.
Vishnu had taken this opportunity to get back the three worlds from Mahabali without war.
So, Vishnu took the avatar of a dwarf boy called Vamana and approached Mahabali.
Vamana asked Mahabali the land which would cover Vamana's 3 footsteps.
Mahabali accepted to him the land. Vamana put his first step to sky, second step to earth and third step on the head of Mahabali, pushing him underneath the earth.
To mark Mahabali's devotion to Vishnu, a boon was given by Vishnu that Mahabali could visit and stay his land once a year for 10 days.
In the last day of Mahabali's stay, Onasadya feast with 9 different vegetables is offered to Mahabali. These traditions start with the lighting of Nilavalaku, and at Arathi includes waving of flowers, Pushparati, over the Bible, eating the Onam meal together with the Hindus as a form of communion of brothers and sisters of different faiths.
The significance of these practices are viewed by some Kerala Christians as a form of integration with Hindus, mutual respect, and sharing a tradition.
Onam falls in the month of Chingam, which is the first month according to the Malayalam calendar.
The celebrations are spread over 10 days and conclude with Thiruvanam.
The 10 days are sequentially known as Atham, Shakira, Kadi, Vishakam, Anisham, Rekta, Mulam, Puradam, Uthradam, and Thiruvanam.
The first and the last day are particularly important in Kerala and to Malayali communities elsewhere.
Onam celebrations and activities are boat races, cultural programs, sports competitions, dance events, martial arts, floral designs, etc.
Okay guys, we hope that you might have enjoyed this video. Check out our other videos also. Please click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed earlier to our channel.
And also please click the like button and share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching this video.